not long ago we went to this Jeep parts dealer, and I wasn't really impressed with them, but they did have these really beautiful blue handle inserts that match the turquoise of my Jeep perfectly, so I picked these up. There's 3 of them because my car's a 2-door, which actually has 3. Here's the back one, and it's pretty much, we had already put it in. So here as I am finishing it up. No, this is the driver door. You have to be careful not to put these in the wrong way. See, this is backwards. The little curvy part actually goes into the part where you push the handle with your thumb. That's the right way to put it in. Nope. We had put the tape on it to try to keep it from sliding around, but if you have another person, it's actually better to keep it in place. You gotta be really careful, try to go in straight here. It's hard because there's the curve there unlike the other side. And you want to go really slow because you don't want to go all the way through. This is just a plastic handle. Do it real gentle. And that's why the tape is there. It would be helpful to have an extra person to hold it in place. Chris is on the camera here. And then again, because this is just a plastic handle, I put in the screws with a handheld screwdriver instead of the electric drill. Looks pretty good. Now do the other side. This one's in there pretty good. And that side is now pre-drilled. And get the final screw in. And you don't want to tighten these too much again because you can break through the plastic. Once you feel some resistance, it should be fine. That looks pretty good. So here is the Jeep all nicely washed up today and with its new handles. Here's a view of the Scary Fear hood art that I made. Haven't seen that in a while. So beautiful. Love it. My angry grill, my Jeep waved stickers, Jurassic Park there, and one of the handles. It looks so nice. And I don't think you guys have seen these. We got new stickers on the back. We got a raptor there. You guys know I love raptors, are my favorite dinosaur. There's the other handle. And a raven, because Fear is part raven, and a T-Rex. And then the other blue handle. Do my best to keep my Jeep shiny and clean as much as I can. So there we have it. New accessories for the Jeep.